Now the attorney who says she was fired by the Department of Justice after opposing actor Mel Gibson getting his gun back. The actor lost that privilege 14 years ago after being convicted of domestic violence. In recent years, Gibson says he has repeatedly tried to buy a gun but has been denied. Ann Mercogliano has more.
Mel Gibson wants his gun back, but are his friends in the Trump administration doing what they can to make that happen? This after Trump named Gibson special ambassador to Hollywood.
I got Mel Gibson, Sylvester Stallone, and John Voight to become ambassadors to Hollywood, California.
Mel Gibson has tried to buy a gun in recent years, but according to the New York Times, he has been denied. The application for a license to carry a concealed weapon asks, have you ever been convicted of any criminal offense in the U.S.? Gibson would have to check yes. In 2011, he was convicted of misdemeanor domestic violence after striking his ex-girlfriend, Russian-born Oksana Grigorieva.
You need a bat in the side of the head. All right? How about that?
At one point, Oksana was holding their infant daughter, Lucia.
You were hitting a woman with a child in her hands. You, what kind of man is that? Hitting a woman when she's holding a child in her hands, breaking her teeth twice in the face. What kind of man is that?
Because you provoked it. You are provocatively dressed all the time with your fake boobs.
Thank you all for all the work. An attorney for the U.S. Justice Department, Liz Oyer, says she was fired a day after refusing to restore Mel Gibson's gun ownership rights. Giving guns back to domestic abusers is a serious matter because there are real consequences that flow from people who have a history of domestic violence being in possession of firearms. She tells the New York Times she knew her government job was over and confided to a colleague, I can't believe this, but I really think Mel Gibson is going to be my downfall.
A Department of Justice official speaking on the condition of anonymity tells Inside Edition the disagreement over Gibson played no role in the decision to dismiss the attorney. They say that decision was made before the disagreement occurred.